Hello everybody, this is Samsudashan. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how it use OBS Studio for recording your screen or streaming on YouTube or any other streaming website. OBS Studio is very good for that. Okay, go to Google and search for OBS Studio. Here OBS Project, this is the official website of OBS Studio. This is a cross-platform website software, so you can use it on Windows, Linux or Mac. And one more thing, this is totally free and open source. You can customize it by yourself. You don't need anyone's permission. Okay, let's download it for Windows because I'm using Windows now. Getting started, I already downloaded it. It is very easy to install. Click just click next few times and install it. Okay, after installing OBS Studio, uh, you might face a problem with black screen. So what you need to do, I have made a video on black screen, the link in the description of this video. Right click and go to your NVIDIA control panel and change the program setting for OBS Studio. Integrated graphics is for capturing the display, and high performance graphics is for capturing gameplay. So I already made a screen with a display capture. For the first time you don't have anything in the screen sources, and you have on scenes. So what you need to do now, just click this plus button. You can get an image, game capture, display capture, color source, audio capture, anything you like to do you can do here. I'll show you how to capture your display by using OBS Studio. Just click on new. Okay, new one, it's totally fine. There it is. There is control panel where you can find start stream, start recording, studio mode. That is the different option I will show you in future videos. For now just click on this start recording. The recording will be started. Okay, it's recording. You see the CPU percentage, it is 10.9% CPU using this OBS Studio. The recording time is 14 seconds. You see here, if I just want to push it, just click on this equal sign or click once again to resume it, or stop recording, that will stop your record. Go to file, show recordings. Here you will see the recording file. Here it is, the screen has been recorded. If I just okay, let me show you some settings. So for your recording, what you can do for the first time, just click on this setting option. In general, there is language theme. I will use the default dark theme. If you like light, you can do that, but dark is good for eye. Okay, let's go to file, settings one more time. Go to the video setting. Here the screen is capturing 920 by 1080 pixel. That means HD, high HD. But after capturing this full HD, they converting to 1280 by 720 pixel, and the common FPS is 30 pixel. If you are doing it for YouTube tutorials or anything like that, you can go with 30 pixel. For smooth recording, for gameplay, you can go with 60 pixel. Okay, now I will go with 30 pixel because it is a tutorial. Go to audio. Here this is the default bitrate. You can change the channel. This is the desktop audio default. Let's make it everything default as it is, but this is the most important option in OBS Studio, that is setting option. Okay, uh, this is how we can capture our display by using OBS Studio. Just minimize it and whatever you do, it will be captured. Okay, it will be made as video. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. uh, Support me to grow my YouTube channel. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you.